Here's how to get shorter responses in Janitor AI. First, of course, we need to pick a chat of our choice. Let me just pick a random one right here, Simon Goes Riley. Just to give you an example right here, I'm gonna start the chat with hi there, and the AI usually gives you a long paragraph in response. As you can see, he gave a long response. Now, to make this shorter, go to the top right of your chat, click the three lines, and go to API settings. Now you will see this custom prompt box. I usually just paste this prompt right here. This custom prompt box overrides the behavior of the chat. So if you put a prompt in here, the chat will behave that way. Since we want to make the reply shorter, just say here only reply with the most important answer, maximum 1 sentence unless I ask for more. Once you're done, click save, and with that, the AI should give shorter responses. Let's give an example here to see if it works. I'm just gonna say hi there again. And there, the AI gave a shorter response.